Watto again, just a little catch up on our frames. Friday afternoon, so we're allowed a beer. I think we all agree that it's almost the law. So this is basically a vegan eater frame, which gives you like a Frisco chop look. This has obviously got our new gas gusset in it. This frame is fully tagged. The next job on this will be to fit it out. So this is what you see with a fully tagged frame. Engine mount, seat mount, fender mount, rear wheel reaction rod, battery box, side stand, forward controls, exhaust brackets, I think I said coil brackets, tank bracket, seat bracket. That's it, that's all there is there. But what I really wanted to talk to you about this, you'll see the final build. It's based on a Honda Shadow 600. And as I say, it will give you that sort of Frisco look. If you don't know what that is, Google it, you'll see what it is. But the main thing is this is our exclusive colour that we're doing, not all our frames, but a lot of frames. It's always difficult to see it on film, but if anybody gets a new frame from us, and a lot of them tend to be technically bespoke, although you've got your basic shape and style, they'll all be adapted for a certain frame. I mean, we're using all of the Shadow 600 front end, rear wheel, obviously the engine. So as I say, this colour is exclusive to us. If anybody sees this and they're going to be at the Copdock bike show in a few weeks, this frame will be there. And again, if you're going to be at the Heritage Sprint Racing Deal, this frame will be there, so you can see the colour up close. But yeah, this is just a sort of basic hardtail frame with everything on it. That's it. Thanks for having a look. Like and subscribe. Do whatever. Have a beer. Have tequila. Don't do drugs.